Bienvenue to Patine Ancienne in southwest France. Please join us restoring our 200-year-old Maison de Maitre. Today we are in the future library where we found a hollow wall. See what we uncover. And down here, pulling up unscrewing that board and finding out what lies beneath that wall. Because I'm hoping we can have more space, because as you can see from this room, the wall goes way further back than in here, and this part sounds hollow. And when he pulled the carpet back, looks like this is just regular modern plasterboard. Okay, keep going. I want to see what's under there.
Just your hands.
Does it look like it go across? Or?
What's underneath?
Let me take a quick look in there. There's a metal bar, so they made it like this is newer. And then there's a wall with wallpaper, the old wallpaper.
Oh my God, the wall on top of a wall.
Yeah, I'm not even sure why they did that. That's what I'm curious about. But yeah, it makes this room smaller.
Yeah, I know. That's what I said, lazy.
I want to know then what's underneath that wallpaper.
How many walls are there? There's 4 walls.
Probably more plaster falling off the wall. But that gives you an extra, what? That much space. The wall. I'm hoping to get down to a stone wall, but I don't know. I'm just wondering if this part was added on. Time for the grand reveal. Do you want to see? Want to see?
Huh? I'm fine.
Said you want to see.
Oh. Whoa, you're in the way.
Oh. Welcome back. Today we've got the results back from our asbestos testing, and apparently we do not have any asbestos in these ceiling tiles, so that's fantastic. There's also no asbestos in the downstairs bathroom wall, so that's great. There is asbestos in the kitchen walls and in the, or at least at the front entrance to the kitchen and in the guest bedrooms on the ground floor. So those ones are going to take some work to special consideration to remove. So today I'm going to continue on with getting rid of the ceiling, and so we can expose the rest of these tall doors in the cupboard so we can open them and hopefully take down this metal wall supports. So, on y va. How are these attached? I thought they might be a little bit easier to separate than they appear to be. How are they put together? Yeah, it's an extra that much space up there. This floor is so uneven. Oh my goodness. Seriously? That's pretty bad. So there is, tickly, all on here and on the way down. There's things.
So am I taking this off?
Yeah, we're gonna take that off. I don't know. These things aren't attached, so there's a screw like right there and here. So I'm gonna go. I'll give you the ladder. Oh, is there bottom ones?
Yes.
Oh, I think the bottom ones are screwed or not screwed. I mean, there's something. I'm coming through.
Rivet?
Yeah, rivet. That's the word I was looking for. They're riveted, but the tops are screwed. Yeah, indeed. So take it apart bit by bit and see. But once you get all those screws out, I guess we can go around the edge and take off all the molding. If you go up higher, can you go from the top?
This one.
Ooh,
I don't know.
based on the description of the asbestos stuff, I would have thought that those were asbestos just because it was the beige color underneath. But
Well, I didn't think it was, but until you said it, and then it was like, until he said it might be, I would have assumed it wasn't.
well, yeah, I would have before. Is it going to hit the light on the way down?
Probably.
Should we? Just... So, I'll give you a little look-see, closer up. Yes. So lots of extra space up there. This is plaster wall here. Stone, that's stone. That's plastered over. Wood, and this is where we're going to go across to just on this side of just the other side of the window there for a wall for the bathroom. So this will be the library side and this will be the bathroom side. And of course, again, they've got the styrofoam over everything and causing more mold issues there. I think I'll leave while Weston makes a lot of noise in here. I'm going to get a mask on just in case, just because there is some dust coming out of those, and although it may not be asbestos, it's some kind of dust I don't want to breathe in. Wow, I'm really excited to have found these original placard or cupboard doors hiding behind the wall. I love having the high ceiling back, and the paint colors are lovely and tie in with the color I was planning for the library. It will be the only room in the house with deep colors. Back, well, it's finally time for the grand reveal of what's inside the cupboards. You guys want to see? Yeah, I wonder what they were for. I wonder what they used them for up in the second or the first floor, and as they say in France. Anybody have any ideas when we look inside? Let's see. Tall, narrow, right up to the ceiling, very high. Looks like there used to be shelves, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 shelves. It's a very high cupboard. I don't know how they get up to the top. Yeah, very pleased. What do you guys think?